Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. Global markets are down for the fifth straight day today. Asian markets are down 0.4% after US markets closed lower by 1.5% yesterday. All three indices were in the red. And the US markets suffered their biggest drop in the last 6 months yesterday. The US 10-year yields touched 4.5%, the highest level since 2007, extending selling pressure in US government debt. Japan's factory PMI contracted for fourth straight month and stood at 48.6 in September, and the services PMI slipped to an 8-month low of 53.3. Brent crude oil is stable at $93. On India front, JP Morgan has said that it will include Indian government bonds in its widely tracked emerging market debt index. This inclusion is likely to prompt billions of dollars of inflows into Indian economy. Inclusion will start from 28th of June next year, 2024, and extend over 10 months with 1% increment in its index weighting. So it has said that at a maximum level, India will form around 10% of its bond index weight. So that will result in a lot of fund inflows into the Indian economy, and it will result in lowering of the bond yields in India. So that will benefit corporate India. This will be seen positively. So that is why we are expecting that Indian markets will be in the positive today. They are SGX GIFT Nifty is in the positive because of this reason, and despite of Asian markets being lower. Thank you. I will now hand over the call to the technical team.
Thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down opening. We are likely to witness some profit booking during the day. From the last few trading sessions, almost 3 days, from 3 days onwards, we have seen a selling pressure, which took a Nifty from 2,200 towards 19,700 levels. Going ahead, 20 DMA will act as a crucial support level, which comes to at around 19,680 levels. If Nifty breaks that level, more selling pressure is likely to be intensified, which may take a Nifty towards 19,600 to 19,500 levels on the downsides. Whereas on higher side, the immediate support is placed at 19,840. Any move below that level, only we can witness some sort of a pullback rally, which might take a Nifty towards 19,900. So the view on the Nifty will remain cautious as long as Nifty sustains below the 19,848, 870 levels on the closing basis. Coming towards the bank Nifty, yesterday we have seen a huge sell-off into the bank Nifty, was almost down by 1.7%, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Going ahead, the support is last at 44,500. Any move below that level will see the extension of this fall towards 44,200 to 44,000 levels on the downside. Whereas on high side, 45,200 will act as a crucial resistance level. If it's break that level, then only we can witness some sort of a positive rally, which might take a bank Nifty towards 45,500 levels on the higher side. Coming towards the Fin Nifty services, 19,760 and 19,670 are the crucial support levels we need to keep eye on it. Whereas the resistance is placed at around 20,010 and 20,170 levels. So the view on three indices will remain a cautious. Selling pressure is likely to be seen into the market. Probably once the indices find out some support levels on the downside, then only we can witness some sort of a pullback rally. Coming towards the stock specific, Bharat Forge really looks weak on the technical setups. Daily chart shows the negative divergence. So we believe we might witness some sort of a profit booking or say the selling pressure into this particular counter. Downside, we are looking for a target of 1,050. Immediate target will be at around 1,050 on the downside, whereas the stop loss can be kept at 1,145. That's it from my end. I request every team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives data front, if we, as I mentioned yesterday only, that as per the Y position, selling pressure will be witnessed to a 19,700 level, and below that, if market goes, then 19,500 would be the initial level where we are seeing that the put writer position is holding strong position. While in yesterday's session, we have seen that the change which took place on the OI front is like at 19,700 strike, almost around 19 million position of put writer got added up with that we are seeing that at 19700 and 800 strike in both the strike in addition of both there is almost around 34 million positions of call writer got added on. So this is a negative sign, but the positive sign is like 19 million position of put writer has also get added up, which is highest on the monthly basis of the put writer at 19700 strike. So once in today's session Nifty futures manages to get stable below 19700 level, then only there might be a second leg of selling towards 19,500 level, or else market is likely to remain in the range of 19,700 to 800 in today's trading session. Once if in today's trading session Nifty manages to hold the support of 19,700 level on the future front, then we might expect a pullback of around 80 to 100 points on the upper end, but again we might witness some sell off towards 19,800 to 19,850 levels so from the upper end. So overall view might remain cautious, but for intraday perspective we expect some pullback from the supportive level of 19,700 level, while PCR yesterday closed at 0.83. On the downside, PCR is having support at 0.75 to 0.74. Once PCR comes in at 0.75 to 74 level, at that point of time, we might expect some break in the selling pressure in the market, and again, pullback will be witnessed once PCR comes in at 0.75 level. So these two level need to be watchful for the Nifty support of 19,700 and PCR support of 0.74 on the downside. While on the stock specific and sectoral specific front, we expect a banking, auto, and finance sector to show some more selling pressure in today's trading session. Selective stock from that might be PNB, Concor, Glenmark, and Bajaj Auto. This three counter looks a negative in today's trading session. So that's it on the derivative front. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Idea Forge has received a order worth 58 crores to supply 400 surveillance copter with accessories to Mesa Strategic Marketing. So this is positive for Idea Forge. Company size is very small, so the order size is decent and should be positive. A new IPO Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services will get listed today. We had given a neutral rating. Issue price was 164 and listing is expected to happen at just around 5% premium. Total issue size is 563 crores, constituting fresh issue of 392 crore and OFS of 171 crore. Zaggle is similar to what system we have in our own company, where we make entry for travel reimbursements, plus it has many more add-on services like prepaid cards with money and reward points loaded for employees, which the employees can spend at channel partners of Zaggle like retail chains and online shopping, etc. It's a B2B company, and some of its large corporate clients include Tata Steel, Persistent Systems, Hiranandani Group, and others. In order to increase usage and spends from employees, of its clients, Zaggle has introduced a new product called Propel in 2019, which provided higher discounts and reward points and nudged these employees to spend their money and reward points quickly. So this drove to higher spending pattern and has driven growth in last couple of years, where Zaggle's revenue grew by 50% CAGR in last couple of years. It is demanding valuation of EV/EBITDA of 30 times FY23, which is at a premium to other such similar fast-growing technology-based companies. And that is why, because of hefty valuation, we had given a neutral rating. Thank you. Yeah, commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we witnessed some fall in commodities in the first half of the session, and then we witnessed some recoveries. So follow-up buying can be witnessed. So gold witnessed a pullback till 59,000. So for a trading purpose, one can buy, and again from 59,000, one can take profits, and again sell with a stop loss of 59 to 50. On downside, again 58 700 is the area we are looking to take profits. Silver also, we expect prices to test 73 800, and one can take profit around that areas, and maintain a stop loss of 72,000. Crude oil, we are expecting prices to test 75 70 76 20. So buying around 74.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 73.80. Natural gas prices are expected to consolidate from 210 to 230. So trading within this range is recommended. In metals, copper had witnessed a correction till 711 odd levels. So if prices are sustaining above 719, we are expecting a pullback till 724.26 levels, and then again there could be a sell off. So zinc also, prices had recovered from the low of 219.60. So again buying around 221.70 to 21.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 219.50. And on upside again, 224, 225 is the level we are expecting. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USDNR, we are expecting some more downside. So if we get around levels around 82.70, so one can initiate a long positions. The strict stop loss of 82.66 for the target of 82.92 and 82.90 and 83 levels. And GBP INR, if prices sustaining above 101.90 levels, so one can initiate the long positions with a strict stop loss of 101.62 for the target of 102.11 levels. Thank you.